Hello, my friend. This story is for you. If you are afraid to speak English, if you feel shy, if you think, I am not good enough, please listen carefully. The story begins. There was a boy named Rahim. Rahim lived in a small town. He was kind. He was hardworking. But Rahim had one big fear. When people spoke English, his heart beat fast. His hands shook. He thought, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me?
School life. In school, Rahim sat on the last bench. When the teacher spoke English, Rahim looked down. He knew some words, but he did not speak. The painful moment. One day, Rahim saw a job advertisement. It was a good job, good salary, but one line stopped him. English speaking required. Rahim felt sad. He said quietly, "This job is not for me." The turning point. That night, Rahim could not sleep. He remembered his father's words. Fear does not mean you are weak. Fear means this thing is important. That morning, Rahim made a small decision. Not a big promise, just a small step.
Small steps. Rahim said, I will learn one English sentence every day. Day 1. Good morning. Day 2. How are you? Day 3. I am learning English. He spoke alone. He spoke in front of the mirror. He made many mistakes, but he did not stop. Change begins. After 3 months, something changed. Rahim was not perfect, but he was brave. One day, a foreign customer came. Everyone was afraid to speak. Rahim was nervous, but he spoke. Hello, sir. Can I help you? The man smiled. That smile changed Rahim's life. Success. Rahim kept learning. He watched English videos. He listened more. He spoke more. One day, he applied for the job again. This time he said, I am learning. I am improving every day. He got the job. Final message. Very slow. Rahim did not win because his English was perfect. He won because he did not give up. Now listen to me. You do not need perfect English. You need courage. Every mistake is okay. Every day, speak one sentence. Your journey starts today. Believe in yourself. You are learning, and you are moving forward.
You don't need perfect English to start. Every mistake means you are learning. Fear is normal. Giving up is not. Speak slowly. Speak daily. Improve naturally. One sentence a day can change your life. English is not talent. English is practice. Today you are shy. Tomorrow you will be confident. Don't wait for confidence. Speak first. Small steps create big success. Silence will not improve your English. Speaking well. If you can understand, you can speak. Your accent is not a problem. Fear is. People who laugh today will listen tomorrow. English is your tool, not your enemy. Be brave enough to be bad at first. I am learning English every day. It is okay to make mistakes. I am not late. I am starting now. I believe in myself. I will not give up.